Do you feel overwhelmed with managing your Instagram account and all of the follow requests you're receiving? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily cancel any and all pending follow requests on Instagram at once. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to cancel those annoying requests quickly and efficiently. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the heart-shaped icon. Once you are on this screen, the very first option is Follow Requests. So go ahead and tap on that. You will now see all of the pending follow requests that you have received. So in order to cancel all of them at once, tap on Manage at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Select All. Once you've selected all of the follow requests, tap Delete in the bottom left corner of the screen. And now you have successfully deleted all of your follow requests on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.